guys, welcome to my channel. In my today video I'm going to be showing you all how to crochet an African flower. So the first thing, I'll take my yarn guys and I'll make a knot like this. Then I'll pass my hook inside the knot. Then I'm going to crochet 5 chain. So I crochet 5 chain, then I come back where I begin here and I make a slim stitch, as you can see. So when I make a slim stitch guys, I'm going to make a chain of 3. So inside this chain guys, I'm going to be crocheting double crochets, and the double crochets I'll crochet like this. I make 2 double crochet, I make a chain of 2, back to the same hole, 2 double crochet, I make a chain of 2, so back to my same knot guys, another 2 double crochet like this, then I make a chain of 2, then back to the same knot again, I make 2 double crochet like this, 2 chain, then I come to this position where I begin my work, then I'm going to make a slim stitch. Slim stitch like that. So that's the first row guys. Then I'm going to cut my yarn with my scissors. Use my needle and I sew the yarn inside. Sew it like that, and I cut. So this is my first row. As you can see, I've worked on 2 double crochet all together, making them 8 double crochet, and after each 2 double crochet I make 2 chain. So right now I'm going to change my yarn. So I'm going to work next with my white yarn. So I'll make a knot like that. I pass my hook inside, then I take my crochet work, then the first I'm going to bring it inside, then here I'm going to make a chain 3, then back to the same hole I make 2 double crochet, then I make a chain of 2, back to the same hole again, I make another 2 double crochet like this. So I make 2 chain, then to the next hole I'll crochet 2 double crochet, chain, back to the same hole, I will crochet another 2 double crochet. So I crochet 2 chain. To the next hole I'm going to crochet 2 double crochet, chain 2, back to the same hole, 2 double crochet. So chain 2, and to the next hole the same, 2 double crochet, 2 chain, back to the same hole, 2 double crochet, then 2 chain, then on this other end I'll make a slim stitch. So this is my second row, guys. That's the first row and this the second row. So now I'm going to move next to the next row. I'm going to make a slim stitch here, then to this hole. What am I going to do? I'm going to make a chain of 3, back to the same hole. I'm going to crochet 7 double crochet. Seven. Then here I'm going to make a single stitch in between. Here I make a single stitch, so to the next row I'm going to crochet another 7 double crochet. There I go. So to the next row I make a single stitch, guys. Then here to the next row there I'm going to crochet another 7 double crochets. Here I go, a single crochet here. So here to this hole I'm crochet another 7 double crochet, guys. When I come here I'll make a single crochet there, then on top here I'm going to close. So you can see, so this my third row. So on the fourth row that I'll be working here, guys, I'm going to be working on single crochets all around. So I'll cut my yarn, guys. Of this I'm going to so I'm going to be working on the last row. So on the last row right now, guys, I'm going to use a green yarn. I'm going to be using a green yarn and I'm going to be working on single stitches. So I make the knot again, the magic knot like this. Yeah, hook inside, and you take your work, crochet work from here. So I'm going to be working on two single crochet in each hole all around, guys. So each of my hole I'll be putting two single crochet. So when I reach on this middle part, what I do, I make a double crochet and I'll bring it right inside here. Now make a double crochet like that. Then I continue going with my two single crochet on each hole all around. So here I make a double crochet inside like that. Then I continue from this other position. Here I have to make the double crochet, guys. Then from here I continue with the single stitches. My double stitch, then my last stitch here, make a slim stitch, then I'm going to cut. So guys, as you can see, that's my little beautiful African flag. You can see how easy it is to crochet. So if you have watched up to this stage, guys, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel.